Kerwit ke Israel dah ke airstrike Jaka penelang uranium bat ke Jaka shna nuclear bomb jong kari Iran. Menedang step perangap jong kasungi tok ding hakaba kala penkelon bat kala penkemding lut. Ya Jaka shna atom bom lane nuclear bomb jong kari Iran. Hal jing hir Thma berkerpang jong ki sipai lingsun jong kari Israel. Menedang step perangap. Kebaki ai kerteng dah ke operation Rising Lion. Kari Israel kala terdiki namding jong ka ya Jaka penelang uranium mat ke Jaka shna nuclear bomb jong kari Iran. Hakaba kalami ke jingkam ding ke Shyrkhei. Hakanong ba natan ke bahap apok ke jela Isfahan jong kari Iran. Komban supet kan mau ke jingi syun bat ke jingi bisni pedang kini ki artili kiri bakrau jong ke Middle East. Lalong daki po snam. Nrei hakaba khaddu menne ke step kari Israel. Kelasim ya karai bakrau jong ka makan penduit pom sendon ya ke Jaka shna nuclear bomb jong kari Iran. Bat kani ke jing Thma jong kari Israel menne ke step long ba omba kala penjot tangnya ke nuclear facility. Henry kala pen pra kala pen kelon ki building ki bahe ki balangit ba kadai ke Jaka ka ba ki syong ki nuclear scientist bat ki he sipai ba phar jong kari Iran bat long ba kani ke jing jial anta ba ki babun ki nuclear scientist bat ki he sipai kila yap kani ke jing Thma jong Israel menne ke step. Bat lingba kani ke operation Rising Lion ke bagi Israel kala Thma persyak ke Iran ru long ba long ready makan penpai kala ya ke Israel. Bat ningit skam hagi ni sni ke bangan wan in COE Thma ke Shyrkhei pedang kari bakrau tam jong ka Middle East. Bat iri Israel batang sitro. Bat nakaliang ki bor sipa ba bor pahara jong kari Israel. Kila penmi ya ka hukum ba borok ki priu ki bendon ke Jakari. Nomor kila sutu ba nakaliang kari Iran. Kan don ke jing ther namding ke Shyrkhei ba chapok jong kari Israel. Tetu metang nya ngap kumno spokesperson jong sipa Israel ba Prime Minister jong kari Israel Benjamin Netanyahu Ukraine.
This morning, the IDF began preemptive and precise strikes targeting the Iranian nuclear program in order to prevent the Iranian regime's ability to build a nuclear bomb in the immediate time frame.
For decades, the tyrants of Tehran have brazenly, openly called for Israel's destruction. They've backed up their genocidal rhetoric with a program to develop nuclear weapons. In recent years, Iran has produced enough highly enriched uranium for 9 atom bombs. 9. In recent months, Iran has taken steps that it has never taken before, steps to weaponize this enriched uranium. And if not stopped, Iran could produce a nuclear weapon in a very short time. It could be a year, it could be within a few months, less than a year.
We have no choice. We are operating against an imminent and existential threat. We cannot allow the Iranian regime to obtain a nuclear weapon that would be a danger to Israel and the entire world.